Hey folks, Rambler here. It's been a while, but I'm back with a new video, a big one. But first, a question. What is magic? I've been thinking about it a lot lately. Because I've always chased magic in my work, but could never quite capture it. For me, magic is a combination of factors that come together to evoke emotion and tell a story. And that is what this video is all about. I'm on a journey to find the magic that will make my work uniquely special, and I'd like to tell you about it. The idea, at least for now, is to create a character that I can use over multiple illustrations to tell a little story. I also hope to add some animation to each of these illustrations to help bring them to life, alongside a short story or bits of lore to accompany each illustration. Ultimately, I wish to create a relaxing experience for the viewer. Meet my protagonist Ren, short for Renard, who will be going on a journey. To create him, I am starting with a character sheet, where I have drawn him from multiple angles. I'm doing this because I intend to 3D model and pose the character in a blocked out scene using Blender. I will then use the subsequent 3D render as a reference when drawing the final illustration in Infinite Painter. This will help me to get accurate perspective and keep the character consistent. To create this character sheet, I started by blocking out and refining the silhouette. Then I refined the character, keeping him fairly simple to aid both in the 3D modeling process as well as lending to the sense of peace and relaxation that I have in mind. I have not yet decided which of the color palettes I want to use, so let me know in the comments which you prefer. I don't know where this project will end up, or if I can even pull off the animation I have in mind. Regardless, I hope you will join me and Ren on this journey. On that note, remember to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all future videos. If you want to check out this image, you can head over to my community tab, Instagram, DeviantArt, or Unveil, all linked below. Thank you for watching. Till next time, safe travels.